We absolutely love freelancing. I mean, it's everyone's dream, right? To get out of the rat race, to get paid more for doing less, to go on holiday whenever you want. It's embodies freedom in the modern age, and you don't need to take my word for it. The freelance workforce has outpaced growth in the general workforce in the UK by 4 times over the last 5 years, which is quite an extraordinary number of people going solo. In fact, me and my co-founder, when we sold our last business a couple of years ago, we joined the freelance community. But we found that it's not all plain sailing when you get there. In fact, when you leave the grind or the treadmill of corporate life, managing your money becomes particularly difficult. Chasing clients for payment is really inefficient for everybody. You get stung with unexpected and enormous tax bills. Keeping up to date with your record keeping is quite frankly a pain in the arse. And who's ever heard of a freelancer that pays into their pension properly, or had a great experience getting a mortgage on their dream home? And it's actually getting harder as well. So as HMRC's Making Tax Digital agenda kicks in, freelancers will have to do a tax submission every quarter, so 4 times instead of once a year, which is increasing the burden. And where are the banks in all this? They don't really know what to do with freelancers. So what the community really needs is just help with day-to-day money management, but banks haven't quite figured out how to do that. Maybe Rabobank has figured out how to do that. So we've created Monizo. It's the world's first mobile bank account for freelancers. We use rich and real-time payments data to automate business processes in ways that weren't previously possible, and we solve the biggest problems that freelancers have. So we help them get paid reliably and on time using real-time notifications. We eliminate the unexpected tax bills through real-time tax forecasting, and we make keeping records a doddle through automated categorization of transactions. And then there's the bit about planning for the future, which we can help with too. There's a huge number of people going freelance. So it's 17% of the UK workforce, and it's growing by 5% a year at the minute. So it's 5 million people currently, but set to grow, and they earn around 200 billion annually just in the UK alone. So freelancers are understandably very excited about this, and we're part of Mass Challenge. We've raised a pre-seed round and we're building a product. So looking for companies that would like to partner or angels interested in SEIS or EIS. Thank you.
We'll take 3 questions from that, and then you can grab them afterwards.
I'm Sam O'Connor, by the way. There's my contact details if you want.
Hi, it's a great presentation. I have a question. Is this your target specifically for the UK or also mainly Europe? Because I was wondering about the tax process thing, because for every country it's different. Yeah, so at the beginning it's going to be the UK, and then we'll take the world bite by bite, I guess. There's a lot of freelancers out there, and there's a lot that needs to be done, but we need to take it a step at a time.
Thank you for your presentation. What do you think about contest?
About?
Just a second. Contest. It's your competitor from Germany. Contest. Doing the same, yes. Contest.
How do you spell that?
Kontist.
Oh, well, thanks. Thanks for telling us about that.
With the app and the details.
Oh, amazing! So
first mobile bank for freelancers in German, in Europe also.
That's great news. In fact, there are a few similar things cropping up at the minute, and that's just great news for us, because there's huge interest in this sector, freelancers and small businesses, and it's a growing market that's got a lot of needs that are currently massively underserved by banks. So we're all for new products that come out to support our market.
Hi Sam, my name is Paul. Short question. Can you elaborate a bit more on your business model? Because I think the product is good, but what is your business model?
At the moment, we're looking at a monthly fee, but obviously with some of the products that we can offer, there's alternative revenue as well that we can generate through things like pensions, insurance, mortgages, and that kind of thing.